inches taller than Lee.
I know.
Tippy toes.
That's funny. Okay, who's next?
Yeah,
Mom, you
yeah,
and your
yeah,
kids.
Here, Chloe.
Come on.
Come here, my love.
Matthew. He really doesn't care. No. We're done, Matthew. Matthew, we're done.
Come on.
Let's go. I want to take more pictures.
You want to take more pictures? Come on.
Come on, dude. Matthew.
Okay, picture with them and then you can be with them. Okay.
Okay, then. Let me just go on that side.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Cheese.
Now over here.
Hold on a second. Okay, towards Uncle
Okay, here.
Louie.
1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Go down a little bit. It gets like too much fancy. Hey. Let me do this here, okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sorry.
Got it? Thank you.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Thank you, Uncle Louie.
You want to take one with Romeo?
Yeah, you and Romeo.
You and Romeo.
Come on,